The excitement surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro is reaching fever pitch, and for good reason. Rumored test flights and recent regulatory sightings have fueled speculation that a groundbreaking compact drone is poised to hit the market next week. With trademark weight compliance, a high-end sensor boost, extended airtime, and cutting-edge charging and connectivity upgrades, it promises to be one of the most compelling sub-250-gram drones ever made. FCC filing signals official arrival. The DJI Mini 5 Pro's recent listing at the United States Federal Communications Commission is widely interpreted as a near-term precursor to launch. Such filings usually appear just weeks or a few months before public release, suggesting that DJI's formal unveiling is imminent. This adds substantial credibility to whispers that its rollout may happen within days or weeks. Keeping it under 250G, cruising through drone registration rules. One of the standout anticipated features is DJI's decision to keep the Mini 5 Pro under the critical 250-gram threshold. That means in many countries, including the US, Canada, and EU members, owners won't have to register the drone with aviation regulators. Considering the rumored upgrades, maintaining lightweight design while boosting performance showcases DJI's mastery of compact drone technology. For content creators, travelers, and casual flyers alike, it promises unmatched portability mixed with premium features. Major camera upgrade, larger sensor, sharper footage. A huge leap is expected in imaging. Sources indicate DJI is equipping the Mini 5 Pro with a 1-inch image sensor, a significant improvement over the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. This bigger sensor typically delivers better dynamic range, sharper detail, and superior low-light performance. It can also enhance creative depth of field control, making drone shots appear more cinematic and professional. Rumors also suggest 5.4K video recording at 60 frames per second, putting the Mini 5 Pro in close competition with DJI's higher-tier drones like the Air 3 or Mavic series. Such ultra-high resolution and frame rate capabilities would transform smartphone video quality expectations, especially in compact drone form. Vertical modes and social-first features. Vertical shooting modes are likely to make a return, ideal for Instagram Reels, TikTok clips, and YouTube Shorts. Combined with potential AI-powered subject tracking, perhaps underpinned by advanced algorithms or even machine learning enhancements, the Mini 5 Pro could deliver studio-style autofocus and smooth cinematic motion. This positions it as an ideal tool for solo vloggers, travel creators, Instagram influencers, and tech reviewers alike. Battery and fast charge evolution. FCC documentation reveals the battery capacity has been bumped up to 33.5 Wh. That's a major jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 18.96 Wh standard pack or even the upgraded 28.4 Wh Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Under optimal conditions, this could push flight time up to 50 minutes per charge, nearly doubling what current mini drones deliver, and dramatically reducing downtime during multi-location shoots. Charging capability appears set to leap forward. As well, support for 65W fast charging via DJI's 65W adapter, which until now was reserved for larger drones like the Mavic 3 and Air 3, will allow for rapid turnaround between flight sessions. Next-gen transmission, OcuSync. For another substantial upgrade reportedly lies in the communication system. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to utilize OcuSync 4, offering transmission ranges of 25 to 30 kilometers under ideal conditions. Compared to the previous 03 system, this new version promises dramatically improved signal reliability, latency reduction, and extended distance capabilities, ideal for long-distance aerial photography, expansive landscape scanning, or immersive exploration. Expanded controller and goggles compatibility. To support these upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to be compatible with a range of DJI controllers, including RC2, RCN3, and possibly DJI Goggles 3. This pairing could deliver the first-ever immersive FPV-style experience in DJI's Mini lineup, opening up cinematic perspectives and hands-free depth of field control for content creators filming action sequences, travel vlogs, or architectural flyovers. LiDAR obstacle avoidance for safer flights. Obstacle navigation is also getting an upgrade. Rumors point to the inclusion of a LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance system, far more accurate than traditional vision sensors, especially in low-light or complex environments. If true, this feature would elevate the Mini 5 Pro to one of the safest and most autonomous drones under 250G, making complex flights through urban canyons, wooded trails, or dusk conditions far more feasible. Onboard audio and intelligent tracking enhancements may include onboard audio recording, an uncommon feature in drones but useful for capturing ambient environmental sounds or live commentary. Combined with AI-enhanced tracking, the Mini 5 Pro could lock onto moving subjects, humans, vehicles, or animals, with smooth trajectory adjustments and cinematic framing, ideal for sports shots, adventure videos, or wildlife documentation. DJI Fly app and firmware ecosystem enhancements. DJI's proven ecosystem, especially the DJI Fly app and regularly updated firmware, will likely support these new features out of the box. Expect intuitive menu integration for advanced capabilities like vertical shooting, AI tracking toggles, LiDAR warnings, and fast charge status tracking. Firmware updates may also bring new flight modes, gesture controls, or cinema-level settings. Feeding into creative workflows. Release timing, leak context and expected launch. While DJI has not yet released official teasers or launch dates, insiders speculate that a release could happen as early as September 2025, coinciding with their typical product cadence and potential Osmo Action launch alignment. However, the FCC filing includes a confidentiality agreement that expires on May 27, 2025, which is unusually short. Some of the associated documents date from late 2024, meaning DJI could announce the product well before late summer or autumn. With regulatory approvals and internal testing nearly complete, a late August to early September debut seems plausible. Pricing expectations and market position. Exact pricing has yet to be confirmed, but initial estimates project the Mini 5 Pro pricing near or slightly above its predecessor. The Mini 4 Pro launched around US $999 for the base kit, extending to $1,399 for Fly More combo packages. Given the camera, battery, transmission, and obstacle avoidance upgrades, a price range of $1,199 to $1,499 could be reasonable, positioning this drone as a premium compact offering without encroaching on full-sized Mavic territory. Final thoughts. While we wait for DJI's official announcement, all signs, from FCC documentation to consistent upgrade rumors, suggest that the DJI Mini 5 Pro will redefine what a micro drone can do. If DJI truly delivers on these features under $250,000, they will have created a highly powerful, hugely portable tool for creators, explorers, and pros alike. Get ready to capture sharper, longer, safer, and more cinematic footage, without registering your drone or sticking to bulky gear. This could well be the most transformative drone release of 2025. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and be first to know when DJI officially confirms